Aloha guys, GoPro Chris here. Now this is the Chesty mount by GoPro. Works very well if you want to keep hands-free for motorcyclists, outdoorsmen. Like me, I'm a fisherman. So I'm just trying this because what's going to do is I'm going to get away from my headband. So getting away from my headband means I can put my hat on again and I can protect myself from the sun, so it's for health reasons. Now when you use a Chesty mount, see I have to tilt the camera slightly forward. See my GoPro's tilted slightly forward. So when it's on my chest, you see how that is going to take a picture or a video of my subject. Okay, the problem with that is that I'm only guessworking, right? I'm only guessworking how much of that area I'm getting. Now I can go to the settings, make it wide, make everything wide. But to do that as a fisherman, I don't want to show the perimeters when I'm fishing because it's going to give out the area I'm fishing in. So I have to reduce that, not too narrow, but to medium. Now, when I have this on, now if you look at it this way, right? See, the camera's slightly tilted forward. All right. Now, because of that, when I look down, I cannot see what's on the screen. The screen's over here. For the life of me, I don't know how everything is being framed. All right, found a solution. GoPro Extensions for helmets and motorcycles. See that? This clip here will work, but I already have a clip on it there, so I can use a bar like this. Is an ABS bar. They're also in aluminum. But you know, these things are so strong, I just need the ABS. That's all I'm gonna need. And this, what it's gonna do, it's gonna extend the camera out so I can look down and actually see what I have in frame, but still shoot what I want to shoot. Let me show you. Okay, this is my GoPro camera. It's tilted slightly forward. As you can see, the camera is tilted slightly, coming down slightly forward. So everything is in frame. I'm looking towards my rod and reel, looking to another person, everything's in frame. But when I'm looking down, still can't see what's over here. So I'm not 100% sure if I'm getting everything properly framed. Okay, look at that. That's with the long attachment. Now, I also bought the shorter attachment with this, and I was thinking combining the two or just using a short one. But the longer one, because I ordered at the same time. But look at that. I think the long one's all I'm gonna need, so I can actually look down and see what I'm framing. See what that looks like. Look at this. I can see the screen. I mean, I can take videos, whatever I want. Look at that. I can see the screen. See my field of vision? Look, I can see the screen, all right? Just make sure that your harness, like I did in my first review of the GoPro Chesty, make sure that the harness is tight. Now, it's not too tight right now because I'm just doing this for sake of giving this demonstration, but it must be tight so you don't accidentally flip this over. Isn't that great? Now with the short one, the short one will come up to about here, and I can still see the camera. So it depends on what kind of field you want. You can use the short one or the longer one like this. What do you think? Doesn't have to always be a GoPro, even though these are GoPro mounts. Any type of action camera will fit these GoPro mounts. All right, guys, thanks for watching my videos. As always, I think this would be the first time anything like this has been on YouTube where I'm using a product that it was meant for a GoPro camera or any type of action camera, and instead of being used for a helmet mount, is being used for a Chesty. This will help if you're snow skiing, fishing like me, almost anything, indoor, outdoor type of sports, even mechanics, working on your car, anything. It will keep your hands free. And I also like to say thank you for my shirt. This is an Akuma shirt, but it was made for a product show I did, being a rep for Akuma as well as a product tester and a pro staffer. This was provided to me by Rodney Zuel on the shoulder there. See, the Zuel brothers, they hosted the show and they gave me a shirt. In fact, they gave me a bunch of shirts, so I'm really glad that I have some really nice shirts to show. Thanks, Rodney. Thanks, guys.